Hello.
Hi, welcome to economic news channel ИнстаФорекс TV with us, Anna Kasatkina.
And Kate Nedachina.
You've been watching a currency and commodity review for the previous week.
So what happened on currency markets?
On Friday, the Japanese yen rose against the US dollar and climbed to a 2.5-year high against the euro.
So what supported investors' bullish sentiment towards the yen?
Another fall in crude prices undermined stock markets, thus creating demand for the safe haven currency. On Friday, the euro dropped to the lowest level since June 2013, 125.32 against the yen. Meanwhile, the US dollar declined to 112.66 against the yen at the session's close on Friday. The greenback has hidden towards a 15-month low already reached a week earlier. The US currency got close to the mark of 115 yen on Tuesday, but failed to consolidate and fixed 88 points of losses for the week. Besides, the euro dollar pair ended the Friday session at 1.1131 after a tumble to the two-week low of 1.1071. During the last week, the European currency lost 125 points. Market experts predict a fresh drop in the euro as the single currency faces political risks, economic problems and a flow of migrants. Moreover, the pound sterling got under pressure on Friday in the light of ambiguous economic data and the unclear issue of the UK membership in the European Union. The pound dollar pair lost about 100 points and hit 1.4405 levels at the end of the preceding week. The pound sank sharply on Tuesday following the data release that showed that 0.8% decrease in the British inflation rate against the expected fall of 4.7%. On Friday, the UK Office for National Statistics reported that retail sales in the country advanced by 2.3%, beating forecast for the 0.8% growth. In annual terms, retail sales also rose higher than anticipated. Sentiment towards the British pound remains low amid the unsolved question about the British membership in the European Union.
Thank you for the currency pairs review, Kate.
You're welcome, Anne. And what sentiment prevailed among commodity investors?
Crude was falling in price once again, while the gold price was rising.
And what led to such fluctuations?
The tumble in crude prices was caused by investors' distrust of oil producers' coordinated actions aimed at trimming supply in the commodity market. During the week, Brent futures edged down by 1.04%. However, at the beginning of the week, Brent jumped by 14% on the news that Saudi Arabia and Russia agreed to freeze crude production at the January levels. Meanwhile, WTI futures managed to fix the weekly gain of 0.67% because of the surge in the early week. On Friday, Brent futures for April delivery lost 3.7% in price in London, closing at $33.04 a barrel. In New York, WTI contracts for March delivery slid by 3.67%, ending the week at $29.64 a barrel. On Thursday, the U.S. Energy Information Administration reported that crude oil stocks expanded to a record high, thus causing deeper concerns over a glut of oil. Gold prices went upwards on Friday, showing growth for the third session in a row. Speculations about the timing and pace of the Fed monetary tightening supported the yellow metal. At the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold futures for February delivery added 0.37% and rose to $1,230.80 a troy ounce. Safe haven assets gained in popularity as the resumed tumble in crude prices and a slump in global stock markets brought greater concerns over world's economic prospects. On Thursday, gold grew by $14.90 amid the release of the Fed meeting minutes. The report for the January meeting revealed that the U.S. central bank's management is worried about the poor global financial health. These woes could change the planned pace of interest rate increases in 2016.
Anna, thank you for the commodity market review.
You're welcome, Kate.
You have watched the currency and commodity review on ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
The review was presented to you by us, Kate Nedachina
and Anna Kasatkina.
Take care and goodbye.
See you soon.